hair is about to be spoiled, nourished and glowing from root to tip. Hey love, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how I made my personal blend of hair butter infused with aloe vera, moringa, green tea, and oils your strand will absolutely love. If you've been struggling with dryness or looking for real softness and growth, you are in the right place. Please stay put and watch to the end. Let's get right into it. So I'm starting off with prepping my aloe vera. It's freshly washed, and now I'll go ahead and cut off the head and the both sides where the thorns are. I cut it into big pieces and put it in a bowl of clean water for about 30 minutes. Aloe vera contains a natural toxin called aloe. If you've ever felt that itchy burning sensation after using raw aloe vera on your scalp, that's usually the culprit. Soaking it helps draw it out and makes the gel way safer and gentler for your hair and skin as well. Next, I move on to my butter. For this batch, I'm using only shea butter. With my scalp, I weigh out exactly 250 grams of raw shea butter. Since I'm going for a total of 600 grams of whipped hair butter, this gives me enough room to add in my oils, aloe vera and herbal powders later on. Once I have my butter measured out, I set it aside, and next is to transfer it into a heat-safe bowl and place it over a pot of simmering water. I'm using the double boiler method. I keep the heat on low and let it melt gently. No microwaving here, just patience. This way, I preserve all the rich nutrients in the shea butter. After a few minutes, it melts down into a smooth golden liquid. I turn off the heat and set it aside to cool. Now that my aloe vera is done soaking, I rinse it off. I rinse the toxins off. I did this off the camera. Next, I cut the pieces into smaller chunks. The smaller the pieces, the faster and better the infusion. I set it aside. It's time to measure our oils. These oils are some of the best oils you can include in your hair care routine, especially as a low porosity girly. They are lightweight and absorb easily into the hair shaft. Well, except olive oil. It doesn't absorb as fast as the rest, but it works amazingly as a carrier oil to help distribute nutrients. I'm using 1 tablespoon, which equals 15 mils. I go in with 4.5 spoons of almond oil and 4.5 of olive oil. Altogether gives 9 tablespoons, which is 120 grams of oils. It's important that the butter to oil ratio stays balanced. You always want more butter than oil to get the perfect creamy whipped consistency, not runny or greasy. With my teaspoon, I measured out just half a spoon of moringa powder. A little really goes a long way. Then I added 1 bag of green tea directly into the mix. I will go in and add my chunked aloe vera. Everything now goes on a low heat. Guys, by now you already know I don't play when it comes to moringa and green tea. These two are my absolute go-to ingredients for strengthening, boosting growth and fighting dryness. I explained their full benefits in this video linked on the screen. Do well to check it out and know how to use your herbs better. I let the mix infuse slowly to create a nutrient-rich blend for moisture and strength. I stir occasionally. If you've watched up to this point and find this video educative and interesting, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share this video across. Thank you so much for engaging. So once the back of the aloe vera starts to darken and bubbling stops completely, that's a sign that the infusion is ready. No more moisture, and that's exactly what we want. I let it cool for a bit and then strain it. Infusing it this way with zero moisture left means your butter can last up to 6 months without refrigeration. No mold, no funny smell, just pure goodness. In a bowl of melted shea butter, I pour in the infused oil, making sure every drop goes in. I give it a good stir so everything combines smoothly. Next, I go in with my jojoba oil, best lightweight oil for low porosity hair. Using my 15 ml tablespoon, I will add 3 full spoons and stir it properly. Honey, yes, We are using it for more than just sweetness. Honey will add extra softness to the butter, but not too much to avoid it getting sticky. With my 2.5 ml teaspoon, I added more than 1 teaspoon and mixed thoroughly. You can choose to add your essential oils now or wait till after while whipping, but I'm adding mine right now. Not too much, just enough to boost the benefits and give my butter the subtle sweet smell. Essential oils are totally optional, but they do make a difference in scent and scalp health, so feel free to personalize this step. After adding everything, I give it a proper stir, then I place it in a refrigerator to cool and solidify just a bit. I left mine in a little longer than planned, so it over solidified, but that's totally fine. What we really need is for it to reach that solid state. Now our butter is ready to be whipped. This is where the magic happens. I will go in and whip for about 10 to 15 minutes. Look at how fluffy it's turning out, guys. The texture is smooth, creamy and fluffy, exactly what we want in a good hair butter. It spreads easily and melts right into the hair and as well the skin. This butter is everything, guys. Just imagine all this goodness melting right into your hair strands. Oh my goodness. The aloe vera, the herbs, the oils. Your hair is about to be spoiled, nourished and glowing from root to tip. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions, or if you'll be trying this out. I would love to hear how yours turns out. We've finally arrived at the end of this video. Thank you so much for sticking with me to this point. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things from me today. I hope to see you in my next video. Ciao.